We guide you through how to turn off Facebook video autoplay on iPhone and Android. So the first thing you need to do is to open your Facebook app and make sure you are logged in. Then tap the three lines menu icon bottom right on iPhone and top right on Android. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy. Then tap Settings. Next, scroll until you find Media under the Preferences section and tap it. You'll see the autoplay option. Tap on Autoplay and choose Never Autoplay Videos if you want to completely stop videos from playing automatically. Or select on Wi-Fi connections only if you preferred videos to autoplay only when connected to Wi-Fi. Once selected, the change saves automatically, so you can exit the settings and go back to your feed. So that's it. Videos will no longer automatically play while you scroll, helping you save mobile data and avoid unwanted sounds interruptions.